Welcome guys to the usage introduction of the Shark 6. Today I'm going to be introducing some very basic functions of how we control the car, how we move the car. The first thing is, the right button here is for the vehicle start and stop. And after that, we have a gear lever to select if you want to go forward or backward. You can starting by put your feet on the braking pedal and select D. Now, if you release the pedal, you're good to go. And you press the P means the car will be fully parked and locked in place. And if you want to go backward a little bit, it goes the same. You press on the braking pedal and select R. At the same time, on the pad, you can check your surroundings to make sure that you're in a safe place.